know I think about it all the time. The way you move, baby, you're so fine. Your hips swing like God's design.
Okay.
Brings you to the bottom.
Ooh, no.
All the way to the bottom.
No thanks. It is so windy. Keep going.
There's no wind.
A little staircase.
Oh, I was Papa. How much do?
I can't get it out of my mind. You know I think about it all the time. The way you dance, you catch my eye. You're so sacred, so divine. I've been fading, we've been hesitating. This feeling
Well, that's pretty neat how that fell out from there.
shake it, so why don't we just make it? Why don't we just make it?
Freaking toilet clogging, damn.
Our RV toilet is actually so clogged.
It's only been like 2 weeks though.
But we'll be in Vegas tomorrow at an RV park. And we'll be there for about a week. Boondocking spot in the forest is so nice.
Fire Road 302.
Yep, if
right
you guys
outside of
come out here and you want to boondock, it's such a great spot.
So why don't we just make it? I can't.
That's not very
Did you hurt yourself? Oh my gosh. Is that the same finger or a
Yes,
different
it's
one?
the same
Oh,
Oh, God.
you deserve it.
Ripping skin that's been ripped.
He keeps opening the same wound on his finger because he keeps trying to do
Too much.
too much. Exactly. He does way too much. Ha! Wow, look at this plant.
Whoa.
That's
They're
neat.
really pretty yellowish flowers.
Get it out of my mind. You know I think about it all the time. The way you move, baby, you're so fine. Your hips swing like God's design. I can't get it out of my mind. You know I think about it all the time. The way you dance, you catch my eye. You're so sacred, so divine. I've been fading, we've been hesitating. This feeling can't shake it.
There's the rest of the trail winding down. We're gonna try to go as far as we can. It's already about 2 o'clock. We're having so much fun.
We found a cave.
Cody's exploring.
Isn't this cool?
It is so cool.
It's open up here. Like fully
You can
open.
see through to the top.
Like a big room.
Wow.
Come up here. Oh.
I'll come.
Yeah, you really need to come look at this. What the fuck?
Okay.
Look.
Woo! Oh my god, I'm scared bats are gonna go flying out of here.
Look up here.
Oh wow.
Give me that. Stendo stick. Light. Here's the entrance of the cave. All the way up to the top. Look at the size of this hole. Oh my god, that's so cool. Like, hello, like, apocalypse house or something. Oh my god. What? Crazy.
So why don't we just make it?
We made it. Somebody didn't want to stop. We out here.
Yeah, we made it.
Yeah, we made it.
Super exhausted.
Now we got this nice flat trail back to the truck. Maybe 3/4 of a mile or something.
Yep.
Nice cool down walk.